What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today I've got a train air handler that I was called out for that they were replacing, and they had broke off the stem on the chill water lines when they were taking off the old insulation. It's already been abated, and they broke one of the lines in the process. This is what I walked into. That's how they stopped the leak. These valves were barely holding. I got it to close down better, and but all this stuff's going to get replaced. Why am I here? Because I came into work. That's why. And they gave me the work order. I get paid to fix it one way or another, whether it gets fixed or not. But we're going to try. We already got this one going. It seems to be holding. And we're going to try this one here. This one started leaking after I looked at it. And so hopefully we'll have just as good a look at it. So I got another one down here. As of right now, that one's not leaking. But all this is going to get replaced. I'm just doing this because they just needed to stop the water leaking because they still had a drip in there. So I think that was mainly because those valves weren't holding 100%. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. There we go. So they look crusty and old on the outside, but on the inside they still got a little bit of meat there. All right, let's get our new stem and valve set up. Got a new apprentice, so that's not my hands. All right, that's what we're dealing with. I think he did a great job. You guys will let me know for sure. Thankfully, this part wasn't rusted out, and those are gonna hold pretty good. We'll just snug it up a little. So we're not going crazy here, because probably in the next few days they're gonna have all this ripped out, and we just stopped the water dripping. There you go. So these units are, let's see, from 1979. I'm taking that as the year. So we're finally getting new units. They're facing bypass. They look really bad, but honestly they still cooled. They were still not leaking other than this, but that was due to the abatement. And all pneumatic still. That's all going away. They're gonna integrate with the new building system. All right, well, we got our job done. We're gonna get out of here before they figure out what happened here, and they can go on about their business. So appreciate you guys watching. Just thought I'd bring you a quick video showing you how we get out of trouble, or maybe into more trouble. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.